Hello everyone, welcome to our virtual Aptitude class from Prapti, CCC School of Aptitude. I'm Akash and I'll be your trainer for this session. In this class, we'll be learning an important reasoning topic, coding and decoding. It is very useful for placement exams and competitive exams like CAT, GATE, banking and more. I'll explain the concepts in a simple and clear way, and we'll also look at easy shortcuts to help you solve questions confidently and quickly. So please stay focused, listen carefully and enjoy the learning. Let's start the class. Here is the first important thing that we are going to learn. Here you just see I have written certain numbers and the alphabets. So everyone knows that each and every alphabet has its own numerical value. So A is for 1, B is for 2, C is for 3. Likewise, up to Z for 26. We have 26 letters in the alphabet. So now you just see the way how I arrange these letters. First 1 to 13 letters. First 13 letters I have arranged in a sequential order, and the next 13 letters I have arranged in the reverse order. Yes, the reason behind this is when it comes to coding and decoding, you will come across question based on sequential order, you will come across question patterns based on reverse order, and also you will come across questions pattern based on opposite letters. Opposite letters in a sense, let me ask you a question. What is the opposite letter of A? Z. What is the opposite letter of G? T. Yes. So what is the opposite letter of Q? J. So this is what the opposite letters. So this is how they will ask you the question. So in order to remember those in an easy way, I have written in this form. So what you have to do is you have to remember these opposite letter especially. Because you just imagine we have only 1 minute of time to solve questions in the placement exam. If it is a government exam, we don't even have 30 to 40 seconds. Hardly have 30 to 40 seconds. That's it. Right? So in that manner, is it possible to write every time for every question like this 1 to 26 alphabets? No, right? So there are certain tricks, memory trick to remember these opposite letters. What I used to follow, I will share you now. So very simple. A to Z. A to Z is nothing but A and Z is opposite letter. And most probably the first three letters A, B, C and the last three letters X, Y, Z we used to remember. Got it? So we'll start from the letter D. So D, W, David Warner, D, W. Yes. And EV, electric vehicle, or else LOVE, love. You just see L and O is opposite letter, V and E is opposite letters. So LOVE, love. You can remember like this. Yes, quite impressive. So now F and U, for you. G and T, Gujarat Titans. HS, Sunrisers Hyderabad. IR, Indian Railways. JQ, we used to play cards, right? Playing cards. Jack and Queen. So Jack and Queen is JQ. And then KP, Pavan Kalyan, the famous actor. And then LO, I have already told you. And at last, finally, MN. So, our Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Yes. So, you can remember. So, which makes you easy to remember that you can choose. So, it is very important to remember this in order to save your time and in order to solve your question. So we are going to see what are the types of question you can expect from this particular topic. The very first type is nothing but letter rearrangement coding, and the next opposite letter coding, number coding, alphabetic coding, relation coding, jumbled coding. Seventh one is conditional coding, and at last you will be having matrix coding. The very first question, letter rearrangement coding. In a certain code, basket is written as TKSAB. How is fruit written in that code? So now basket, you just look into this. BASKET. Now TEKSAB. Don't you think the letters has been reversed here? Coding and decoding is simple, guys. They'll be giving you an example. Based on the example, you have to find the pattern first. What pattern they have followed. The same pattern you have to apply it for the next one. That's it. So when it comes to fruit, what are you going to do? FRUIT. So in a reverse manner, TIURF. So this will be your answer. In a certain code, marvel, MARVEL, and then is written as A, M, V, R, L, E. You just see M and A has been interchanged. R and V has been reversed. In the same manner, E and L has been reversed here. In a zigzag manner, every two letters has been reversed. In the same pattern, we are going to use it for flower as well. F, L, O, W, E, R. So just do the same. L, F, W, O, R, E. So this will be your answer. Opposite letter coding. I have told you, right? Opposite letters. In a certain code, lunch is written as L, U, N, C, H. Lunch is written as O, F, M, X, S. So now, you just see all these letters are opposite letter. L, O. So love, L, O. And then here, U, F for you. Here, man or else Narendra Modi. Here, CX. I have told you, right? Last three letters you can remember easily. HS, Sunrisers Hyderabad. In the same manner for dinner. For D, David Warner. For I, Indian Railways. For N, MN here as well. MN man. Here, electric vehicle or else love. Here, R, Indian Railways. Again. So this will be my arrangement. Simple. Month is written as STMLN. What is the arrangement, guys? So just see M and N opposite letter, but they were arranged in a zigzag manner. Yes, it has been reversed. The position has been interchanged. In the same manner, Sunrisers Hyderabad, then yellow, then Gujarat Titans, and at last again Yemen. So in the same way, what you are going to do, we are going to solve it for weeks as well. D, David Warner. Got it? So in the same manner, for S, Sunrisers Hyderabad. And for E, electric vehicle. And for K, PK. So P, and for E again, electric vehicle. So this will be the arrangement. Number coding. In a certain code, Rose is written as 18, 15, 19, and 5. How is Lily written in that code? Here you just see only 4 letter we have, but here we have many numbers, more than the 4, right? So it can be the numerical values of the letters. You just see R. What is the numerical value of R? 18. What is the numerical value of O? 15. What is the numerical value of S? 19. And what is the numerical value of E? Which is nothing but 5. In the same manner, L. What is the numerical value of L? 12. For I, 9. For L, again 12. And for Y, everyone knows that 25. In a certain code, flower is written as 216 and shirt is written as 125. How quality is written in that code? Here we have 6 letters, but only 3 digits. So what can be the code? Just you have to analyze it. So now you just count the alphabets 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So flower has 6 letters. So 6 cube is nothing but 216. Oh my god. So this is the pattern here. In the same manner, shirt. Let us check it once again whether it follows the same pattern. 5 letters. So 5 cube is nothing but 125. So finally, with these 2 words, we have concluded that they have followed the pattern, same pattern. So in the same manner for quality, how many letters are there? 7 letters. So 7 cube is nothing but 343. So this will be your answer. What do you mean by this alphabet coding? So let us see that. English, in a certain code, English, G-L-I-S-H, is written as F-O-H-M-J-T-I. So now, what is the logic behind this, pattern behind this? The next alphabet of E is F. The next alphabet of N is O. GH, LM, IJ, ST, HI, in a sense. The very next alphabet, in a sense, +1. So all the alphabet follows +1. In the same manner, we are going to do this. So the next alphabet of H is I. So here for I, J. For N, O. For D, it is E. And for I, it is J. Simple. In a certain code board, BOARD is written as DQCTF. So now we just see B, the next alphabet is C and then D. In the same manner, O, P and then Q. Am I right? So it is of plus 2. Here as well, it follows the same plus 2. A, B, C. So plus 2. S, T plus 2. E, F again plus 2. So entire letters, all the letters follows plus 2 form. So for sure for class as well the same. So for C, plus 2 is E. For L, plus 2 is N. For A, plus 2 is C. For S, plus 2 is U. For S, again, plus 2 is U. So this will be the pattern. Relation coding. So this will be quite interesting. One of my favorite. We just see. In a certain code language, red is called black. Black is called blue. And blue is called white. And white is called yellow. They're asking you what is the color of the human blood. What is the color of the human blood? Usually it will be red, right? But it is not the answer. So you just look into the statement here. Red is called black. So if someone asks you what is the color of the human blood, in essence, you have to say the color of the human blood is black. Got it? So this will be your answer. Again, in a certain code language, red is called black, black is called blue, blue is called white, and white is called yellow. What is the color of the night? So usually night looks like black, am I right? But here, just see, black is called blue. So what is the color of the night now? Blue is the color of the night. Mangoes are sweet. King, win, king. Sweet children, lend, win. Fruits are healthy. Tin, bed, wet. What is the code for mangoes? So whereas mangoes are present, mango is in the first statement. And we have to find which word represent mangoes. So what you have to do is just see the similar words is there present in any other statement. See, R is present in the first and last statement, and check the common similar word is here. Tin is similar, so this is for R. We'll eliminate it. And then sweet is present in the first and second statement. Compare the first and second statement. When is common here, so we'll eliminate it. So remaining what is there? Mango. So what is the answer for mangoes? Mango represents kin. So this will be the answer. In a certain code, pitna som means bring me water. Najoting means water is life. Taka som means take me home. So now what you're going to do is you're going to find the code for is. So water is life. So it is in the second statement. Am I right? So just see anything similar. Just look into this. Just see. In the first statement, we have na. In the second statement also, we have na. So we can eliminate it. Remaining Joe and Tim. Just compare with the option. We don't have Tim in the option. So we'll remove Tim as well. So the remaining, the answer is option C, Joe. Conditional coding. Conditional coding is nothing but they'll be providing you a table like this and a set of condition as given here. What you're going to do is you're going to follow these conditions and the table, and based on the values given here, you're going to find the code for the given set of characters. So let's solve this. The first condition. If the first letter is a consonant and the last letter is a vowel, then both are to be coded as D. So now we just see H is a consonant and the last letter U is a vowel. So obviously it satisfies the first condition. So instead of these character, we can change it as D at the first place and the last place. So now just go with the option verification here. Option A doesn't have D here. Option B same. Option C the same. But option D has the first letter and the last letter as D. So which is what we need. Am I right? So with respect to option verification, we can conclude that option D is the answer. So here is the last type, matrix coding. So matrix is nothing but you would have learned from your childhood. So certain rows and columns, 2 by 2 matrix, 3 by 2 matrix, 4 by 4 matrix. Yes, in the same manner, a matrix has been given here. And what they ask you as a question, how will team be written in this code? So you just see Where is T here? T is present here. It is in the third row, fourth column. So T is for 34. In the same way, E. For E, where it is? E is present in the zeroth row, fourth column. So E is for 04. We just look into the option. See, always give preference to the option verification so that it will save your time. Got it? So just see, first I have got 34. 34 is present in every option. Next we'll go for 04. So option A not possible, B is also not possible, C it's not possible, and option D is possible because we have 04 here. Got it? Yeah, so no need to find the 00 and 22. So it saves your time. Am I right? Yeah, always go with option verification if the options are given. So now let us solve few set of example questions. In a certain code, normal is written as K, Z, L, Q, and M. How is ordinary written in that code? So N, O, or M, A, L is written as K, Z, L, Q, N, and M. So now we just try to find the logic here. N, yes, so -1. And then their position has been interchanged. Here, KL again -1. ON -1. AZ -1. RQ, ML -1. Got it? So in the same manner for ordinary. So ON, here you will be having N, Y, and here you will be having X. The same pattern. Now you just go with option verification. X and N is here present here. Here NX not possible. Here XZ not possible. Q not possible. So what is the answer? Option A is the answer. So no need to waste your time in finding the between alphabets. Got it? Yeah. So this is how you can save your time in the examination. N O R T H. So you can write it as Q R U W K. So now try to find the logic here. So N Q. So N O P Q. So from N, first position, second, third. So +3. Am I right? In the same manner, O and R. P Q R. So again, +3. So what is the pattern followed here? All the letters are +3. So in the same manner for south. So if you add it in a sense, yes, S +3 is V. So you just see V is present in A, option C, option D as well. But D we have 6 letters. So we'll remove this. So either option A or option C. So now we'll check with the second alphabet O. So it will be R. O +3 is R. So option C will be the answer. A certain code nearer, Nearer, nearer is written as Aenrer, and then sister, Sister is written as Sisret. So here the pattern is simple. Just divide the alphabet into half. Got it? And then interchange the position. N and A and E. R, E. In the same manner, Sister. So in the same manner for November, just split it into half. November. So split it into half. So now you just interchange it. N, E, O, here V. So you just go check with the option. So it follows the first option. Option C is not possible. Option B is not possible. Since we are having none of these here, we'll cross check with the next 4 as well. So here M, R, B, E. So you just see option A is the right answer. In a certain code, ready is written as UIGLK. READY. Ready is written as UIGLK. So now let's find the pattern here. R and U. So just see R, S, T, U. So I'm going to take only the between letters. So in between how many letters are there? Two letters are there. E and I. E, F, G, H, I. In between how many letters are there? Three letters. In the same manner, A and G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So in between how many letters are there? Five letters. In the same manner, D and L, you will be having 7 letters, and Y and K, you will be having 11 letters. So now tell me what pattern is followed here. So all those are prime numbers. Got it? So in the same manner, we'll find it for W. Right up. So W in a sense, in between two letters should be there. So Z. So go to the option. Option A contains Z, option C contains Z. So now we'll check the second letter. In between three letters I should have, so that I will be getting V here. So here option C as the second letter as V. So what is the answer here? Option C will be your answer. In a certain code, sun is written as 459, read is written as 6271, evening is written as they are given some number. So here you just see 3 letter, 3 number, 4 letter, 4 numbers, 7 letters, 7 numbers. So for reasoning, 9 letters, am I right? So 9 letter in a sense it will be having 9 numbers. So straight to straight number you are going to relate. So R is for 6. E is for 2. And A again, A is for 7. So 6 to 7 it should start. So you just see 64 not possible, here also not possible, here 6, 7 to not possible. Here we have 6 to 7, so option D will be the answer. Red is coded as blue, blue is coded as pink is coded as black, black is coded as green, and green is coded as white, and at last, white is coded as orange. What is the color of the milk? If someone is asking you what is the color of the milk, what you will be telling? You should not say white. You should say white is coded as orange. So the color of the milk is orange. Got it? So this will be the answer. Boys are smart is coded as Tomani. Girls are cute is coded as Nita 2. Cute and smart is coded as Matuse. So what is the code for smart? So just see first and the third statement are which it contains smart. Am I right? So now just see R is there. We'll eliminate this. So ni gets cancelled. And here again first and the third statement smart is there. See here for smart Ma is common here. So what is the answer? Option D, Ma. In a certain code language, telescope is written as EPOCSELET. So now you just see, very simple, it has been reversed here. Am I right? All the letters of the telescope has been reversed. In the same manner, microscope, just reverse it so that you will be getting the answer as EEPPOOCCSSOORCCI and M. So obviously what will be the answer here? Option B. In a certain language, grammar is coded as 7, 12, 1, 13, 15, 21, and 18. You just see, it has been segregated with respect to hyphen. Yes? Yeah. So now, how many letters are there? 7 letters, 7 different numbers has been given. So now, I'm getting a doubt that whether it is a numerical value of each letter. So to confirm it, we just see, let's take a simple letter A. So here as well, we have 1. So for M, it will be 13. Here as well, it is a 13. So with this, we can conclude that they have followed the same pattern what I have said. So for research as well, the same. So now you just go with the option. Just see any option is unique here. So 3, 8, 18, 8, 18, 8, 8, 3. So the last two digits were different. Am I right? So what we can do, we'll check only the last two alphabets here. So the first thing is C. So C is the third letter. So you just see the last two digits here. So only option A contains 3 in the second last letter. Am I right? Yeah. So option A will be the answer. That brings us to the end of the session. I hope you understood the concept clearly and found the methods and shortcuts helpful. Make sure to practice more questions regularly as this will improve your speed, accuracy, and confidence in exams. Thank you all for your time and active participation with Prapti, CCC School of Aptitude. We'll meet again in the next session. Until then, keep practicing, stay focused, and have a great day. Thank you.